Most people are still using AI the wrong way. They open ChatGPT, ask question, get answer, and that's it. But if your AI actually could work for you 24 hours, 7 days in the background without you. Today I see something called MaxCloud, and honestly it feels like a step closer to having a real AI assistant, not just something that replaces, but something that actually does things for you. So MaxCloud is basically a cloud-based AI agent, and what that means is instead of you asking AI to do one task at a time, you can create an agent, once give it a goal, and it keep working.
When I first opened it, I expected something complicated, but it was surprisingly simple. You literally just go in, choose what you want your agent to do, and deploy it in a few clicks. And once it's running, it just keeps going. But here's the thing, this is not just another AI tool, it's more like a full AI workspace where you can actually build, automate, and run things in one place. Let me show you what I mean. So here I'm inside the dashboard, I can create a new agent, give it a task like finding trending topics and generating content ideas daily, hit deploy, and that's it. The agent is live. No complicated setup, no technical steps. And this is where it gets interesting. It is not just doing one task. It can handle multi-step workflows, like researching, analyzing, and creating outputs all in one flow. It also has memory, so over time it gets better and adapts to how you work. On top of that, it can actually control the browser, interact with websites, and execute real actions, not just give answers. And if you want to go further, you can even build full apps or tools just from a prompt, which is kind of crazy. There's also this MaxCloud feature, which basically lets your agent run 24/7 and even connect through messaging apps, so it keeps working in the background without you needing to check it constantly. You can even set up multiple agents to work together, like a small AI team handling different parts of a task, which is something you normally need a whole system for. Here's a real example. I set up an agent to monitor trends, generate content ideas, and organize them automatically. But you could take this much further. You could build a small app, automate research, create dashboards, or even set up systems for business workflows. Now, is it perfect? Probably not. Like any AI tool, it depends on how you use it. But the idea of having an AI workspace that builds, automates, and runs tasks for you in the background, that's where things are clearly going. Instead of constantly using AI step by step, you start letting it handle things for you. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. You can test it, build something, or even automate your own workflow and see how far it can go. Because once you get used to this, it is hard to go back. For example, you can build full websites or applications from a single prompt. Not just simple layouts, but fully functional deployable products with real logic, visuals, and interactivity, all generated in one go. And it doesn't stop there. MiniMax agent can actually operate your computer. It can browse the web, click through pages, edit files, and work across tools like Excel, Word, and PDFs. So instead of switching between tools, you simply describe what you want and the agent handles the execution. What makes this even more powerful is its modular system of skills and experts. Skills give the agent real capabilities like coding, research, content creation, and more, with over 100 ready-to-use options that you can plug in instantly. Experts take it a step further. You can create your own AI specialist trained on your workflows, or use pre-built experts from a growing ecosystem. So instead of relying on a single assistant, you're essentially building your own team of AI agents working together. All of this is powered by the MiniMax M2.7 model, a system specifically designed for complex agent workflows. It can handle multi-step tasks, coordinate multiple agents, and operate across dozens of tools while maintaining strong performance even in large-scale environments. And the more complex your tasks get, the more the agent adapts, automatically creating and managing its own tools to scale with your needs. One of the most powerful parts of MiniMax agent is its skill system, and this is where things get really interesting. What you're seeing here is the skill creator. Instead of just using AI out of the box, you can actually build your own capabilities and customize how the agent works. For example, I can create a new skill just by describing what I want, like generating diagrams, automating workflows, or handling specific tasks unique to my needs. The agent doesn't just follow instructions, it turns them into reusable tools. That means once a skill is created, I can use it again anytime, or even combine it with other skills to handle more complex workflows. MiniMax agent also gives you access to a growing library of pre-built experts. Instead of starting from scratch, you can explore and instantly use specialized AI assistants designed for specific tasks. For example, here I'm using the OpenClaw assistant, an expert built to handle setup, integrations, and troubleshooting. I can simply describe what I need, like connecting a service or fixing an issue, and the expert walks me through it step by step. So instead of searching through documentation or figuring things out manually, I can rely on an expert that already knows how to handle the task. It's like having a team of specialists ready to help whenever you need them. So that was the video of today. I hope you love it, and you can find all the links below.